Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix text-to-speech not showing on TikTok. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok and then just open our profile. Hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner. So after that, click on more in the right top corner on these three lines to open this menu, choose settings and privacy. After that, scroll down to find report a problem, click on it. And here on this page, find the necessary topic. We want to choose videos and sounds. So after that, after going to this page, click on video shooting right up here and then just click on other. So now we need to choose no and click on need more help. Then we need to report a problem, write something about our problem. We need to write something like this. Hi, I need to fix text to speech not showing for me. Help me please. And after that, of course, you can write it in a different way, but the idea is to explain our problem. We can click on submit. We can also add some screenshots from our, for example, from our video shooting area or some other stuff. So just click on submit right up here, and in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the support of TikTok will probably help us to solve this problem. It doesn't work 100% times, but it works mostly all the times. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.